Hey YouTube family, this is Nick here with LMDo Studios, and alright, we're just coming off the first week of 2022, and I know the past couple of years has been extremely crazy. I mean, with the pandemic and everything, it's been hard for a lot of people. So today I kind of wanted to talk about stuff that we can do to make this the best year of our lives. And if you're interested, stay tuned to find out. Today's video is actually a little bit of a PSA. For those of you who know me, know that I love nerdy art and pop culture. Take a look around the room. So is it that much of a stretch to think I would talk about anything else but that? Well, let's get into it. First things first. If you want to make this the best year that you've had, or if you want to make the most of 2022, you gotta find yourself an escape. You need to find that person, place, or thing that's gonna help you to release your stress and let loose. In my case, I have my art and my family. When I come home from a long day's work, I don't want to be stressed out by anything else, so I just try to do whatever I can to get my mind off of it. For me, what seems to work the most is just sitting down in front of the TV with my wife, watching a TV show, or just heading into the studio and just rocking out some artwork. And if that don't work, if I can't just get into the studio, if my wife is doing something else, I just grab my iPad and just start making some art. The next thing to make sure that you make the most of 2022 is don't let the little things get to you. Every day has its own troubles. You don't need to add more to it with all the stress from everything else. If we focus on the little things that bother us, our hearts will give out for sure, no matter how healthy we are. I work in customer service, so throughout the day, I literally have customers who come in that ruin my entire day if I let it. Sometimes all we have to do is just step outside for a minute, get some fresh air, and change the scene a little bit. Alright, another tip to get the most out of 2022 is try something new. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I do the same thing over and over again, I tend to get real bored. I'm not saying that having a routine is bad, I'm just saying that sometimes we need to throw something into the mix to change up our emotions. It doesn't even have to be something so drastic, it could be something simple and small, like trying new food. I mean, you can also change your sleep schedule. Go to bed early and wake up early. I have a friend that made this kind of change and he said it's the best thing that he's ever done. So to be honest, that's what I'm going to be focused on this year. Another way for you to make sure that you make the most of 2022 is trying to be better than you were the year before. What I mean by that is try to expand your knowledge, like learn something new, reading more books. They say one of the best ways to learn something is to read about it. Learning how to better yourself every day gives us hope for the future. Hope that this year is going to be better than last year. Last but not least, to make sure that you make the most out of 2022, live your life to the fullest and don't miss a beat. In the past couple of years, the pandemic has done a lot to us. Some of us lost our families and loved ones, others their jobs, and everyone has lost time that they can never get back. To make the most out of 2022, you have to savor every moment. You never know what can happen. Spend the most time with your loved ones. Start that new business. Write that book. Start that YouTube channel. Don't waste your time on things that won't add to your life, because time is the only thing in life that we can never get back. So there you have it, folks. These are things that I think will help you to make the most out of 2022. These are things that I personally am going to practice myself. So for this channel, we're going to make the most out of 2022 and do some new and exciting things. I want this channel to be a place where we can learn, have fun, and be entertained. I want to spread my knowledge of art and pop culture, along with learning new things and spreading the joy to everyone that watches. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We got some new and exciting things coming out this year. And if you're looking forward to making the most out of 2022, go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way, whenever I put out a new video, you'll get notified and then we can all spend time together. So I encourage you to join the ride and watching this channel go from little to big in the year 2022. So until next time, see you guys later.